Manufacturing shapes the future of our world. For over 3 decades, we've dedicated ourselves to empowering the next generation. Nuts, Bolts, and Thingamajigs, the charitable foundation of the Fabricators and Manufacturers Association, has supported over 1,300 youth manufacturing camps and inclusion initiatives, serving over 21,000 student attendees. The foundation has distributed more than $3 million to camps and more than $1.5 million to student scholarships. But today, manufacturing isn't just about nuts and bolts. It's about cutting-edge technology, coding, automation, and advanced fabrication techniques that drive the global industry. Although our mission and our deliverables will not change, our name is. Introducing SparkForce, formerly known as Nuts, Bolts, and Thingamajigs. SparkForce is at the forefront of this transformation, inspiring young minds to embrace the limitless possibilities of modern manufacturing. Join us in shaping tomorrow's world today. SparkForce, igniting passion, empowering futures.